Hello, fellow foodies. This is Lisa back with another amazing dinner recommendation. Tonight, we're headed to Thailand with my simple yet flavorful pad thai. Here's what you'll need per serving: 2 ounces of rice noodles, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of tamarind paste, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/2 a lime, 1/4 cup of tofu or shrimp, and a handful of bean sprouts and crushed peanuts. First, soak the rice noodles in warm water until they are soft, usually takes about 15 minutes. Meanwhile, in a small bowl, combine fish sauce, tamarind paste, sugar, and lime juice. This is your pad thai sauce. Heat a pan over medium heat, add your protein choice, tofu or shrimp. Once cooked, add your drained noodles and pad thai sauce. Stir fry until well combined. The secret here is to toss the noodles often. It prevents sticking and helps them absorb the sauce. Top with bean sprouts and peanuts, and voila, homemade pad thai. Keep watching for more of Lisa's delectable recipes.